We are students of 3rd year Electronics and Electrical Department from SVNIT Surat, and our team ID is 50.4. And here we introduce our project, an integrated wearable and synchronized traffic police module for fine management and traffic regulation.
In recent times, police have started using modern electronic equipments to cope up with ever-increasing traffic. Since these equipments are discrete in nature, making them less mobile and hence difficult to be implemented. Secondly, the traffic lights are programmed for cyclic changes, but it is not efficient in a country like India where the traffic is irregular. Here is a comprehensive list of TI components that we used in our project: MSP 430, Stellaris Launchpad, TLC 5940, OPT 101, LM 1117 and TLC 555.
Here is a prototype of our project, which is mainly divided into two parts. This is our fine management system, and this is our traffic light and public display system.
For fine management system, we have developed a cross-platform application using Python which serially communicates with Stellaris microcontroller. This application has simple interface with 3 buttons which receive data from different sensors and interpret them and sends fine and message to public display.
To digitalize fine management system, we have used Smart Card, and this Smart Card is interfaced with Stellaris with just 3-wire interface. Since Smart Card have IC SLE4442 who has 3 open collectors, so we have to use 5 kilo ohm pull-up resistors to avoid floating voltages, and these 5 kilo ohm pull-up resistors are connected to reset, clock and IO pins. Stellaris receives the message from the applications and transmits to the public side receiver end NRF24L01. In our case, we have used two 8x8 LED matrices which is interfaced with MSP430 using MAX7219. This is 3-wire interfaces, and the number of matrices can be extended to 8.
This is our integrated sensor module for law enforcement. In this, we have MQ7 CO sensor for pollution check in vehicles. This sensor is driven by a transistor in which base of transistor is connected to Stellaris pin, and the output goes into 12-bit ADC of Stellaris. This value is serially sent to application from Stellaris microcontroller. Similarly, this is our breath analyzer based on MQ3 alcohol sensor. Interfacing of MQ3 is same as MQ7 sensor. This is tintometer. It uses 2 IR LEDs, and OPT101 works on a common principle that black color absorbs the light, so greater the reflection from the surface of the glass, more will be the voltage at output pin.
Two hand gloves for controlling the traffic lights, one on the each hand. This hand glove comprises of 2 flex sensors which are being made from Velostride, and an accelerometer MMA7361 to know the exact action of traffic policeman, and this action is being encoded by MSP430G2553, and this is transmitted using NRF24L01 to the receiver of the public display, which is another NRF24L01. So to distinguish the message from MSP430 and Stellaris, we have reserved a MSB of data byte. In addition to that, we have a metal detector which is made around timer 555, and a surge coil of 10 microhenry is used. This 10 microhenry surge coil is being used to detect the metal. As metal comes near to this coil, the frequency of the sound changes.
We have stored name, unique ID and due fines. On clicking the get information, the personal information is received from the card, and on click send fine, the fine amount is sent to server and smart card is updated. Now on again clicking get info, you can see the 150 rupees due fine.
Now we will demonstrate CO sensor. We have calibrated this CO sensor at 100 ppm of carbon monoxide in air, and you can easily see the concentration of current CO in air. Now, massive amount of carbon monoxide is present in the atmosphere. You can feel the change by seeing the data from the application. Now, it is saying that high level of CO is present, which can be greater than 100 parts per million. This is our breath analyzer, which is being calibrated at 0.4 mg per liter, and we can see the reading of alcohol in air. So no alcohol is being detected. Now you can see the change. Now alcohol is being detected. As sensing material comes in the contact with alcohol, its surface resistance decreases and alcohol is being detected. Now we are going to demonstrate public site display, for which the message is sent from the application. The application have sent the message heavy traffic ahead. So now you can see the LED matrix has started scrolling the message. We have used just 3-wire interface, and this 2 LED matrices can be extended to 8. We are using hand gloves for controlling the irregular traffic. Now left side vehicles are only allowed, and until the next action, traffic lights will remain in their previous conditions. You can see green light is still on. And now as we close our fingers, the green light turns into the yellow. This is due to the presence of flex sensors in our left hand. Now traffic person is changing its direction, and backside vehicles are being allowed. And similarly, on closing the fingers of left hand, the green light will be turned into yellow. Similarly, right side and front side traffic is controlled with different actions of right and left hand.